The Analyze button checks case and legislative references are cited correctly and creates hyperlinks to materials in Lexis Advance. You can specify what draft checks by clicking on the Analyze drop-down and edit this list. Most users just have case and legislation references, but you can add legal terms, companies, and organizations. Draft displays case-based status markers to highlight a case's authority. In this example, the negative case-based signal tells you that it is no longer a leading case. Click on the party names to see the case-based record, unreported judgment, or law report in the right-hand pane. For legislation, a yellow signal suggests that there may be bills going through Parliament that may affect it or amendments have been made but not yet in force. A repealed marker tells you that the legislation has been repealed. In this example, old legislation has been cited and you would need to amend the document. You can also analyze a section of text by highlighting it and clicking the Analyze button.